Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install direct mail campaigns with PostcardMania, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start your direct mail campaign with PostcardMania, visit the PostcardMania website. Create an account or log into your existing account. Once logged in, navigate to the campaign management section. Select Create a new campaign to begin. Choose the type of postcard you would like to create. You can customize your postcard design using their templates. Upload your own images or select images from their library. Add your campaign's messaging and call to action. Set your desired size for the postcard. Preview your design to ensure everything looks perfect. Next, select your mailing list based on your target audience. You can import a list or use their list building services. After finalizing your audience, choose your mailing options. Decide on the quantity of postcards you want to send. Review your order summary to confirm all details are correct. Once satisfied, proceed to checkout. Enter your payment information to complete the purchase. After submission, you'll receive a confirmation for your campaign. Your postcards will be printed and mailed according to your specifications. Monitor your campaign's progress through the analytics dashboard. Adjust your strategy based on the performance data you gather. Now your direct mail campaign is set up and ready to go. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.